That's my boiler coming on. What's up, guys? It's your boy here, Jake, and I just opened my fridge, and right at the back of my fridge I've had a little jar of something special. I'm sure you all do it, but you piss into a Kilner jar and keep it for a year and a half, yeah? We do that. And yeah, I thought I'd crack this lad open, give it a taste. Listen to that. Ooh. Gonna have a big whiff of that. It's my nose. Hoo boy. Yeah, that's the ticket. Turns out it's not piss at all. It's elderflower cordial that I made from the elderflower tree outside my house, which has since been chopped down by the downstairs neighbours, which, you know, I've got mixed feelings about it. I liked watching the birds eat berries and stuff, and also elderflowers are nice, so I'm just going to dip my finger in it. It is a year and a half old, so if I die, this is me being dead. And the taste still tastes pretty good, actually. Like, mostly sugar, elderflowers, I think some citrus or something. I can't remember, it was a year and a half ago. But there seems to be like some sort of fun time growth happening there. They call that something in vinegar. I can't remember what it is. I'll edit this out. I'm not going to do that. So let me know if I should drink all this or throw it away. And if I die, I'll keep you updated. From beyond the grave.